Hey guys, welcome back to another CKC Wants, and in this video we're going to jump right in. We're going to do a more advanced rhinestone template to create on your Inkscape, and this time we're going to use the Grinch, and already I just skip a few steps. If you're new, I suggest you go back to your previous video and explain the steps in more detail. But for now, our main focus is to add layers to this project. So in order to add layers to your project, you want to just go to the top and add layer. And you add layer 1. You can rename it. And as you can tell, I'm layering my layer 2 and I'm layering a mouth. And you can tell it will be important later on. Keep in mind when you're working with layers, watch what layer you're working on. As you can see in the bottom, it gives you a stroll down of where to work at. And what's great about layers is that you can copy and paste on layer 1 and add it to layer 2. And now I locked my layer 1 and I'm going to focus on layer 2 because layer 2 will be my focus on the snarky section. So I'm going to do my regular setup, add my background. I'm going to change it to something better. Once I do that, I'm going to add my circle. For the mouth, I'm going to do a SS8 for the mouth. I create my tiles along the same way. I'm going to edit and remove all the layers. With this section, be as detailed as possible, okay? Find what fits, find what doesn't fit. And you're gonna see that I'm just first cleaning up, adding, moving things around, what works, what doesn't work. Take your time. Select that area and I'm gonna lock it. So I'm gonna lock my layer 2 and go back to layer 1 to work on the rest of the image. I'm going to unlock layer 1 to work on it and just simply click on the lock button. So now I can work on it, and for the rest of the image I'm going to do an SS10. I'm going to create my background. As you can tell, layer 2 is untouched and is not affected. In this section, I'm actually going to focus on the snarky part first. So I'm going to remove anything that is blocking or on top of my layer 2. And what's great is my layer 2 will not be in the way. I don't have to worry about what if it gets deleted because I locked my layer 2. Work on my outer edges, removing it. At this point, you can decide if you're going to keep your whole thing filled or not. Also, I took a different approach this time. I did the copy image, I copied the color, and this time I selected what sections I wanted to find. So here you see me do the previous thing, and I do not want that because that's going to delete the whole majority of the images. So I don't want that. So this time what I did was I selected a section. So to make sure I do that, I'm gonna go to selection under the scope and click find. So any of that color code that is selected, I'm going to press delete. And I did that for the rest of my image because I decided to have just the outline of the face of the Grinch. You could do the fill, the whole thing, but I don't have enough rhinestone. So, and here I'm just cleaning up, making sure it comes out clean and that you can see the eyes and the nose, the eyebrows. You could also see the 3 hair. I'm going to quickly do an exclusion to see how I like it. And before I do that, I just move that whole thing to the bottom. I see how it looks. I notice there's a few areas that I have to clean up. So I'm just going to undo and clean up. I got what I wanted. So this is the final product. It may look ugly right now. Don't worry. This is just your template. Once you add your different colors, your things will work out just fine. I hope this video helps you. Be your own hero. Catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.